Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. In today's video, we are going to look at how to convert USDT in your Trust Wallet to TRX. In case you don't know what is TRX, TRX stands for Tron. You will use it as network fee while transferring your USDT from Trust Wallet to other exchange, maybe a desk exchange where you can sell it to your local bank. All you need to do is to follow this video from beginning to the end. Do not miss any step. So immediately you log into Trust Wallet and you see all these features, the first thing you do is to come down to this button that says Discover. So you have to click on Discover. You go straight to the search bar where it says search or enter the app URL. Once you enter there, you type in Pancake Swap. You can see Pancake Swap. You click on it. It will take you to the Google. The first thing you do is to connect your wallet. And once you click on Connect Wallet, you will see different wallet that you can connect. But what we are going to connect is the Trust Wallet. Now we have connected our wallet and you can see the symbol there. So immediately it's open, you will see Play, Bridge, In, Trade, Swap, TWAP, Unlimited. Once you have seen all these features, it means you are in the right platform. Guys, I'm having issue connecting to this wallet. If I try it for the last time, and it's still showing me the same thing, I will switch into another wallet and show you how to do it. You can still see that it's still telling me to connect my wallet. Let me log into my second wallet and show you how to swap it. Now this is my second wallet. I will click on Connect Wallets and you see two different methods. The first one is Trust Wallet and the second one is using the injected method. So we are not going to use the injected method. We are going to click on Trust Wallet. You can see that it have connected successfully. Once you are seeing all these features like trade, swap, and play, you know that you are in the right platform. So you have to change this BNB to USDT. After converting it to the USDT, so the amount you have in your Trust Wallet will appear here once you click on USDT. Because this particular wallet do not have any USDT in it. That is why it is showing me 0. Now, you click on Cake. Once you click on Cake, you type in TRX. There are two TRX. You have to pay attention so that you will not make mistake. We have the Tron and we have the Tron version 2. We are going to use the version 2. That is what we want to use. And this is where you enter the amount you want to convert. Let's say you want to convert 100. This is 100 USDT. You will see the equivalent. Immediately you enter 100, you will see the amount you will receive in TRX. All right. You can see that what we have is 461 TRX and it amounts to 99.42 USDT. It is not bad, guys. So you go straight and click on this button. Once you click on this button, automatically it will convert it. It is very simple because I do not have money in this wallet. That is why it is showing me insufficient USDT. Immediately you convert it, it will appear like this in your Trust Wallet. All right, this is the symbol. I have TRX in this wallet. If it does not appear, you can click on Manage Crypto. So once it's open, you type in TRX and you see different TRX will come out. You can see that it's not showing here. So you have to come here and click on it to activate it and automatically you will see it. Hope this video is helpful. Do well to subscribe and share this video to your loved ones. See you in our next video.